That we need to produce learners, not just that they can be hired once they are already become adults after they went through the basic ed, but as well thrive,
I see.
that they will become independent. And another thing is that possible these learners with the teachers and of course all the personnel will have one in sync in the belief that there is God out there which is everything.
Sir, kanina na-mention po, totoo nga, no child left behind. But many classrooms, I think, I don't know if you will agree with me that many schools here still lack of classrooms and teachers. From DepEd's data, if you know, siyempre 3 months old ka pala, ilan pa ba yung backlog ng classrooms at teachers item sa Region 8? And what's the timeline to fill them?
Okay. So, isa-isahin siguro
Yes, sir.
natin. No? So, when we see lack of classrooms, actually, this is a recurring concern. No? Every year, there is always that lack of classrooms,
Yes, sir.
lack of teachers, because our enrollment as well is increasing. Often than not. And then, as well, lack of classrooms. For now, I think we have thousands, no, for Eastern Visayas, thousands need, no, for classrooms and even teachers. But as I said, no child shall be left behind because there were strategies implemented in every school. Like, if, for example, if the school lack classrooms, so instead of one classroom, one section, we made it 2 sessions in one classroom. So there will be shifts, 2 shifts, or if it will be worst, so there will be 3 shifts. There will be night class if possible. So that's how we will address that. As to lack of teachers, so what we did as well is to compress from the ideal, like for example, for kinder to grade 1, grade 2, the ideal 1 is to 25 learners, we raise it to 30 or 35, which is still manageable by the teachers. Anyway, here in Region 8, I based on the data, the ratio between when teacher to learner is on 1:22 in lower grades, and 1:27, something like that, or 29 and higher. So that means we are still within the manageable situation in terms of teacher-learner ratio.
You listen, we talk, let the message flow.